Okay, done. Question is completed. Screen එකේ පේන තියෙන question එක හැදුවද බටවුනි? Right, as shown in the figure, AED sector is removed from the ABCD triangular shaped metal lamina. What is the radius of the sector? They are asking about radius of the sector. And diagram පොඩ්ඩක් අඳින්නද මේකේ? This is the rectangle. And here sector is there, no? Sector is there. Sector is there. 45 degrees අපි කළු පාට පෑනෙන් details ටික දාමු. This one is 45 degrees. And here 20 centimeters, 14 centimeters, A, E, B, C, and here D. Rectangle is there 90 degrees. They have marked 90 degrees. Okay, fine. They have marked 90 degrees. පේනෝනේ? සුට්ටක් ඇද ගහපු rectangle එක ගණන් ගන්න එපා. What is the radius of the sector? This is the radius. Radius they have given how much? දීලා නැහැ. Rectangle. Breadth are equal. Here 14 and here also 14. Then AD should be how much? 14. Radius is 14. ලේසිම ලේසියිනේ. Radius එක 14. ඕක identify කරගත් නැත්නම් ගන්න ඔතනින් හට proceed කරන්න බෑ. Perimeter question වල පුතේ පරිස්සම් වෙන්න radius හරියට identify කරගන්න නැත්නම් නම් sorry තමයි. Radius sectors මේ තියෙන මේක question වල radius diameters හරියට identify කරගන්න නැත්නම් ඉතින් එතනින් හට ගාන කතා කරලා වැඩක් නැහැ. Find the perimeter of the ABCDE metal lamina. ABCDE metal lamina. May A to B 20, B to C 14, E to D again 20, D to E 14. This one is 14, and we have to calculate the arc length. Arc length එක දන්නේ. අපි ඒක calculate කරමු පුතේ. Theta over 360 into 25R. Arc length එක මතකනේ theta over 360 25R. Radius is 14. This is the arc length. For that arc length, we have to add these values 20, 14, 20, and another 14. 20 times 2, 20 times 2, plus 14 times 2. Double 14 සාදෙන් එකපාර පැටලෙනවා නම් පුතේ ඔහම හදන්න. මෙහෙම පිළිවෙලට ගන්න 20, 14, 20, 14 arc length. පිළිවෙලට යන්න. එතකොට පැටලෙන්නේ නැහැ. මෙතන කට් වෙනව කට් කරන්න. 45 times 8, 7 times 2, 2 times 4, 4 times, sorry, 2 times 2, 2 times 11. Then answer is here 11. The arc length is 11 plus 20 times 2, 40 plus this one is 28. 68 with that one 79. 79 centimeters. Perimeter of the lamina is 79. Then find the area of the ABCDE metal lamina. Area, this one. Because sector has been removed. No? Sector has been removed. මේ ඉතුරු ටික නේද අපිට ඕනේ. From the total area, from the total rectangle, we have to subtract area of the sector. Problem number 3. Area of the rectangle 20 multiplied by 14, length into breadth. එකපාර ගමු ආයෙ වෙන වෙනම calculate කරන්න ඕනේ නෑනේ. From that we have to subtract area of the sector. Formulas මතක තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Theta over 360 pi r squared. Theta is how much? 45 degrees out of 360 multiplied by 5. 5 is 22 over 7. Radius is how much? 14. 14 into 14, no? 14 into 14. 20 into 14 කියන්නේ පුතේ 280. මනෝමයෙන් ගන්න පුළුවන් 14 times 2 28. තව 0 එකක් තියෙනවා ඒක දාගන්න. එතකොට මෙතන කට් කරොත් 45 times 8. 7 times 1 here 2. 2 times 1 2 times 4. 2 times 2 2 times 7. 2 times 1 2 times 11. 11 multiplied by 7 that's become 77. අනේ ඔයාලා multiply කරලා ගන්න. Subtract කරන්න කීයද 230 square centimeters. Square centimeters. 203 30 නෙමෙයි 203 square centimeters. Then row number 4. if instead of removing ABD is sector, a right angle triangular portion ADF where F is situated on the AB line. මේ AB line එක කොහෙද තමයි F තියෙන්නේ. And equal area of ADE. මේ area එකම set වෙන්නත් ඕනේ. Triangle එක තමයි ගන්නෙ. The area should be 77. Is removed from the rectangle. Draw the sketch of the newly obtained lamina on the same diagram and write the special name with the shape is called. මේකින් subtract කරන්නේ මොකද්ද පුතේ? Triangle එකක් නේ. ඔන්න ඔහොම එකක් නේ. This one has been removed. අපි remove කරපු එක වෙන කලයකින් දාමු. තැඹිලි පාට කලයකින් වගේ දාමු. මම remove කරපු එක orange කලයකින් පාට කරන්න. Can you see this one has been removed මේ? මේක remove කරලා තියෙන්නේ. That section has been removed. Right? Orange කලය එක remove කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Right angle triangle නේ. Then they asking about what is the name for the remaining portion. Remaining portion is a trapezium because one pair of opposite sides are parallel. These are not parallel. 4 sides are there. Then that shape is trapezium. That shape is trapezium. They asking about name. Trapezium. That's enough, no? They asking about only the name. Trapezium. Find AF length. Find AF length. හරිද? කොහොමද AF length එක හොයන්නේ? Sorry, find AF length. This one. But the area of this triangle is again 77. Same as sector. Height is 14. We have to calculate base. How to calculate the area of a triangle? Half into base into perpendicular height. That is equal to area of the triangle. Half is there. Base is unknown. AF ne. Base එක දන්නේ AF. Perpendicular height is 14. 14. This is equal to area. Area should be same as sector 77. අන්න කට් වෙනව තියෙනවනේ පැටවුනේ. 2 times 1, 2 times 7. 2 times 1, 2 times 7. 7 into AF. 7 times AF equals 77. Both sides divide by 7. I cut වෙනව කට් කරලා ගන්න. 7 and 7 get cancelled. AF equal, if you divide this one become 11 centimeters. That one become 11 centimeters. හරිනේ? That one become 11 centimeters. Right, okay, done, finish.